Big time.
Big. Missed that plane.
You have one? What happened to it? It's just
Got bored of it. And then Ray pointed me to FMS units, and I was like, shit, now I want it again. Put an FMS in
yeah.
it.
You have the FMS in yours, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened? He trades his women out, just like his plane.
But this is, I find that on the stock setup, it's pretty decent. Like the F5 on the stock setup is not ideal.
I was thinking about carving out and putting a 90 in this thing.
I think someone has done.
They have.
Oh, the foam is weird though.
Oh, is it?
It might fit. Yeah.
We got a
Not
crosswind,
like
or now it's coming from there.
this kind of foam, which is like
Yeah.
like some
It's a
weird.
bit lighter, actually.
No afterburner in this?
Not yet. Rand told me he has one.
Oh, okay.
You know, have you had the A4?
Yes, which I very quickly sold, traded.
You didn't like it?
It's kind of boring.
When it's boring, I had it and I painted it. I think you saw it when you took the R16. Yeah, beautiful Israeli camel. Fucking awesome. But then landing that plane was just too much trouble for me.
I heard it's
So you fly it nose heavy, it lands okay. But the whole time you're flying it, it's just like,
it just wants to do this.
yeah, it's annoying.
Yeah.
You fly it tail heavy, it flies okay. But then when it comes to land, you make the mistake of flaring it, bye-bye. Like there was no good middle ground, which was weird. So I was just like, I traded it. I got a FMS A10, which I absolutely love. Would I get the A4 again? Never. It's just, it just isn't the plane for me. It didn't do much for me.
Yeah, you want some trouble.
It's a little boring.
It's boring.
Boring.
Yeah, it's another back when it came out. Are you gonna get it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna get it?
I was
Are you gonna get it? I'll get it. If you get it.
Yeah, you get it.
He's waiting for me to get it.
It wasn't worth it for me. It just wasn't.
Kind of wore off after a while.
Yeah, this didn't seem that RC Geek guy, he trashed it.
Yeah.
The A4, really?
When did he crash it?
I don't know.
Oh no, RC Geek. Oh yeah, that's not the. No, there's the. The guy was a Kafir. What is
That's him.
That's him.
RC Geek.
And who's the FMS guy?
RC Informer?
RC Informer,
yeah.
Okay, the pilot.
So RC Geek crashed his, huh? Wasn't he the one who was saying that you need to fly it nose heavy?
Yeah, and I'm like, no.
Exactly. That's what I thought.
Okay, I'm gonna land from the right.
Alright.
That's what I thought.
Hey, Jorge, he's landing.
5, landing flap, 4, gear down, 3, 2, 1, time expired.
Plane is just not.
Is the wind still from the...
There's almost no.
Coming this way.
Wait, which way now?
Coming from
Right
the
to
side
left,
you're
south.
coming in from.
So I should come the other way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Left to right. You should come land left to right.
It's just coming straight at us.
Alright, well, either way.
I'm with the big. You can land any which way you want.
Yeah, that thing is
I
so
love it.
freaking versatile.
I want to get the silver one next time.
Yeah, like this jet is just, it's amazing.
Nice.
Like no matter what you do with it, you can fly it, you can.
Cool, like high
Yeah, you
alphas
can.
and-
See, that's a jet, not like the freaking.
Yeah, the A4 is a pain in the ass. I wanted it at first, then I watched it fly and I'm like, eh.
Yeah.
He waited and watched us fly, and
And then all those landings are...
Yep.
I'm like, oh god, no. You have to hit it perfect every time.
then like,
Alright, You should have gotten
I
something.
wasn't sure.
Nah.